This is our game of Slice and Dice. We're going to teach you how to play in a couple short minutes here. Start up to 4 people. Choose a piece. I'm going to be the rolling pin. And you can start wherever you'd like on the map.
I'm going to be the frying pan.
Wonderful. So we'll do these for now. Now, we don't have a die with us because Sangster has it. But normally, you'd roll a die, and whoever rolls the highest number will go first. We don't have that, so we're just going to draw a card, and I'm going to go with this one.
Yeah, just take this one.
Take the second one. All right, I lost. So normally you'd roll a die, and that's how many spaces you move. Before you roll the die, you're supposed to specify which direction you want to move. So I'd be like, okay, I'm going to move to the left and then down through the center. There are 3 different spots that you can land on: $, pizza slice, or +5 in the very middle. If you land on a pizza slice, you draw a challenge card. If you land on a $, you draw a token card. +5 is +5 tokens. Everybody starts with 3 tokens to begin with. The aim of the game is to end with the most amount of tokens after a certain amount of turns. So you got the higher card, so you can go first.
So I'm going to move 9 squares around to the right. Okay, so that's a token card, so I'm going to take a card. Ooh, so I'm going to follow the instructions on the card. This one's kind of long. So players each put up to 2 tokens, with 2 being added to the pot from the bank, and both then on the count of 3 say split or steal. If they both say steal, they both lose and neither gain. If they both say share, they split the pot, and if one says steal, then one says split. The player who steals gains all the tokens.
All right, I'm gonna bet 1 chip because we only have 3 right now.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, do you know what you're gonna choose?
Yeah, ready?
3, 2, 1, split. Okay,
Ooh,
fair
okay.
enough. Easy enough. We both profit 1. I promise you, it's not gonna be that easy.
Okay. So the token cards can be returned to like the bottom of the pile.
And then it would be my turn, and we're just gonna go with what I got before, which was an 8, and I said I was gonna go to the left down the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll go right here, just spice it up. Challenge card. These challenge cards are basically like mini games. When you draw one, whoever landed on the space gets to choose how many tokens to put up. So this one is Call Your Bluff. The player who drew this card states a fact about themselves or creates a lie, and the other player must guess if it's true. So normally if there's more people, you choose someone to go against. There's only 2 of us, so only 2 of us can go. I'm going to bet 2 tokens, which means you have to bet 2 tokens. And then I'm going to say I have to get knee surgery over Christmas break.
I think that's true.
It's wrong.
Ah.
After Christmas break.
What?
Gotcha.
Okay.
And so I would win, so I get the tokens. And it's basically just a rinse and repeat until you specify either you can specify beforehand how many rounds you want to play, or you can set a certain goal for tokens to be at. You can really win any way you guys decide. I feel like that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple game. And then just everybody's turn, one after another. If you go bankrupt, you can't go negative tokens.
Yeah.
But you can definitely be on 0, which will happen. So
I think a few of the cards talk about tokens from the bank. That's just like
yes,
the
the bank is
leftover
just
tokens that you have.
There's many tokens in the box. Those are the bank tokens. Those are just there. If you somehow run out of bank tokens, which I have never seen happen every time we've played yet, but just no more bank tokens, and you're playing against each other at that point, because that's a lot of tokens out on the table. Yeah.
Yay, okay.